Let's now go to integumentary disorders. Let's discuss past medical history. Mr. K has a 14-year history of generalized pruritus, often severe. He reports chronic relapsing, localized, intensely pruritic lesions of the lower leg. He denies systemic diseases. Allergy patch testing was performed and, according to the patient, yielded no valuable results. The patient has tried multiple oral antihistamines. He currently takes none. The patient denies a history of childhood eczema, skin cancers, or precancers. He states that he had varicella as a child. Mr. K reports he is mildly tolerant to sunlight. He denies previous surgeries or blood transfusions. Past medical history of the patient with a skin disease or disorder should be as comprehensive as that for any other medical complaint. Careful history reveals recurrences or flare patterns linked to triggers and modifying factors. Past health conditions or surgeries. Ask about health conditions including diabetes, thyroid, or other endocrine dysfunction, HIV, atopic conditions like allergic asthma, hay fever, and eczema, and thromboembolism. These conditions may provide a clue to skin diagnosis or may modify treatment of the skin. Related to systemic complexes such as the immune response of allergy, asthma, and tissue inflammatory reaction are connected to atopic dermatitis, psoriasis, and viral infections. Has the patient had any surgeries? Previous medical treatments, surgery, and trauma interrupt the natural defense of the skin barrier, providing hospitable ground for infection and inflammation. Skin, hair, or nail conditions. Does the patient have or has the patient had any skin, hair, or nail disorders? Ask about treatment. Does the patient have a history of skin cancer or precancers? A past history of skin cancer or precancerous dermatosis increases the patient's risk for skin cancer. Below provides additional risk factors for skin cancer. Men over age 50 with blue or green eyes, blonde or red hair with history of skin cancer, personal history of skin cancer, continuous exposure to sun, at work or play, light skin that burns freckles or easily gets red, certain types, and larger number of moles. Next is tolerance to sunlight. Ask the patient about her or his tolerance to sunlight and history of sunburns. The Fitzpatrick Sun Sensitivity Skin Typing Scale is used as a tool for classifying skin type to provide uniform assessment of potential risk. One blistering sunburn causes no twofold risk of developing melanoma. Allergy testing. Has the patient been tested for allergies? Here, the tabulation for the Fitzpatrick skin type classification. Type 1 always burns easily and never tans. Type 2 usually burns, tans minimally. Type 3 burns moderately and tans gradually. Type 4 burns minimally and tans redly. Type 5 rarely burns and tans profusely. And type 6 never burns and has a dark pigmented skin. Thank you for your attention.